Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Desya Busita. You can call me Desya. I come from Benite, West Sumbawa. I was born on 3 of December 2005. I'm 19 years old. So now I will explain about the safety briefing steps in the mall. Safety briefing is a mandatory procedure before starting work to ensure safe working conditions and avoid accidents. The steps for a safety briefings are: if a disaster or emergency occurs, stay calm. Immediately exit through the nearest door following the evacuation route. Prioritize pregnant women, the elderly, children, and patients with disability. Don't use the elevator. Take off high heels. Go down the stairs to the first floor and exit to the assembly point at the front of the building. Make sure the number of members is the same as before the disaster or emergency occurred. Do not return to the building for any reason until there is notification from officers that the situation is safe. If a fire occurs, exit through the evacuation route by crawling because this position will make it easier to breathe and follow the available evacuation route. How to use APAR, like fire extinguisher. Withdraw the security pin. Spraying is done 10 feet 3 meters from the fire source. Press down on the flap, sweeping from side to side, closing the main valve after use. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.